Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off dark mode on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Display. Then, look for the dark mode, dark theme, or theme option, depending on your device. Tap the switch to turn dark mode off. If dark mode keeps turning on automatically, tap dark mode settings or schedule and disable the automatic schedule or set it to off. Once you've turned it off, your phone will switch back to the standard light theme. Finally, exit the Settings app and check your home screen and apps to make sure dark mode has been disabled. Happy watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.